The tech industry, a powerhouse of the global economy, is currently in a state of flux. This vibrant sector, which houses behemoths like Amazon, Facebook, Google, Apple, and Microsoft, is experiencing a significant decline. A staggering $1 trillion has been wiped off the value of these tech giants, a loss that has been keenly felt across the global stock markets. This downturn in the tech industry is attributed to several factors. One key player is the end of the pandemic boom. As the world returns to a semblance of normalcy, the heightened demand for tech products and services has started to wane. This is coupled with rising interest rates, which are causing investors to become more cautious, pulling away from the tech sector. Such a shift in the industry's fortune has also impacted deal-making and tech initial public offerings, or IPOs. The vibrancy that once characterized the sector seems to be dimming. Economists are predicting that 2024 could be an equally challenging year, or potentially even worse. Some suggest that there is a 70% chance of a recession hitting in the first half of the year. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Despite the downturn, there are still glimmers of hope. Take Amazon, for instance. Their internal report paints a somewhat different picture, suggesting only a 30% chance of a recession in the next 6 months. They argue that the economic pinch is mainly being felt by unprofitable tech companies, while the likes of Amazon and other major players are weathering the storm. The strength of the consumer is also emphasized as a crucial factor for both the US economy and the success of these tech giants. The consumer's appetite for innovation and new technologies continues to drive growth within the industry, even amidst the current turbulence. In the midst of this turbulence, the tech industry is still a hotbed of innovation and growth. After all, it's in these challenging times that the most innovative solutions and game-changing ideas are often born. Despite the downturn, there's a wave of tech IPOs on the horizon that could potentially shake the market. As we venture into 2024, there are several tech companies set to make their public debut. Each of these companies brings a unique offering to the table, and their potential market value is stirring up quite the buzz. First up, we have a promising AI startup, AlphaTech. Known for its groundbreaking work in artificial intelligence, AlphaTech has been making waves in the tech industry. The company's unique business model, focusing on creating AI solutions for various sectors, from healthcare to education, positions it as a potential game changer. With a predicted valuation of over $5 billion, AlphaTech's IPO is eagerly awaited by investors. Next on the list is GreenDrive, a trailblazer in the electric vehicle market. With an innovative approach to sustainable transportation, GreenDrive has seen rapid growth in the past few years. Its planned IPO in the second quarter of 2024 is expected to have a market value of around $10 billion, making it one of the most anticipated tech IPOs of the year. Another company planning to go public is Cybersecure, a cybersecurity firm. In an era where data breaches and cyber threats are rampant, Cybersecure's advanced protection services have earned it a solid reputation. The company's IPO, slated for the third quarter of 2024, is predicted to be valued at $3 billion. These upcoming IPOs could significantly impact the stock market. For one, they could inject fresh capital into the market. This could bolster the tech sector, potentially offsetting some of the downturn we've seen recently. Additionally, these IPOs could spark renewed investor interest in tech stocks. After all, new players often bring fresh energy and innovation, and that's exactly what the market needs right now. Moreover, these IPOs could influence the direction of the tech industry. For instance, a successful IPO for GreenDrive could spur further innovation in the electric vehicle market. Similarly, if Cybersecure's IPO does well, it could underscore the importance of cybersecurity in today's digital age, encouraging more investment in this sector. These upcoming IPOs could be game changers, bringing fresh energy and innovation to the stock market. Investing in IPOs can be a high-risk, high-reward endeavor. Indeed, the allure of the tech industry and the potential for significant returns make tech IPOs particularly enticing. But as with any investment, there are risks to consider. One of these risks is market volatility. As we've seen in recent years, tech industry giants like Amazon, Meta, Google, Apple, and Microsoft have experienced substantial drops in their stock prices. In fact, over $1 trillion have been wiped off the value of these tech behemoths. This volatility can make tech IPOs a risky proposition, especially for those who aren't seasoned investors. Another risk associated with tech IPOs is inflated valuations. Many startups have been valued at sky-high levels, often without the revenue or profits to justify such valuations. This inflation can lead to unsustainable growth as startups struggle to live up to the high expectations set by their valuations. And as we've seen in 2023, when over 3,000 startups died, resulting in $27 billion in lost venture investment, the fallout can be significant. But let's not forget that with risk comes reward. Tech IPOs offer the potential for high returns. When a startup goes public, early investors often reap the benefits of their investment. And these benefits can be substantial, especially when the company continues to innovate and grow post-IPO. Moreover, investing in tech IPOs provides an opportunity to invest in innovation. These companies are often at the forefront of technological advancement, pushing boundaries and shaping the future. By investing in a tech IPO, you're not just investing in a company, you're investing in a vision, a dream of what the future could be. So while the risks are real, the rewards can be substantial. However, it's essential to approach tech IPOs with a clear understanding of these risks and rewards. Investing in a tech IPO isn't just about chasing the next big thing, it's about making informed decisions based on thorough research and a solid understanding of the market. As with any investment, it's essential to do your research and understand the risks and rewards. Remember, the world of tech IPOs can be thrilling, but it's not for the faint of heart. The future of the tech industry and the stock market is always evolving. It's a dynamic world, ever shifting, ever growing, and every investor needs to stay one step ahead. The year 2024 is on the horizon, and with it comes a new set of challenges and opportunities. Predictions for the tech industry and the stock market in the coming year are varied. There's talk of a recession, with some economists forecasting a 70% chance of a downturn in the first half of the year. But not all forecasts are so gloomy. Amazon's internal report, for instance, suggests a different outlook. Their economists see only a 30% chance of a US recession in the next 6 months. It's important not to be swayed by the doom and gloom. Remember, the tech industry is a resilient beast. It's seen downturns before, it's weathered storms, and it's always bounced back. And there's reason to believe it will do so again. The strength of the consumer cannot be underestimated. It's a crucial factor for both the economy and the tech industry's success. Consumers drive demand, and despite the challenges, their appetite for technology shows no signs of waning. So what does this mean for the tech industry and the stock market in 2024? It means that there's potential. Potential for growth, potential for innovation, potential for the tech industry to rise above the challenges and come out stronger on the other side. And where there's potential, there's opportunity. Opportunity for investors to back the next big thing, the next game changer, the next major player in the tech industry. As we look ahead, these upcoming tech IPOs could significantly influence the trajectory of the stock market. The future is uncertain, yes, but it's also exciting. And for those willing to navigate the risks, the rewards could be well worth the journey. The tech industry is a dynamic and exciting sector, full of potential and promise. We've traversed the landscape of the current market, shedding light on the importance of understanding the risks and rewards inherent in investing in tech IPOs. We've also taken a deep dive into the future, exploring some of the most promising upcoming tech IPOs to watch out for in 2024. In the face of recent market fluctuations and economic uncertainties, these IPOs stand as testament to the resilience and innovation of the tech industry. They represent not only investment opportunities, but also the continued growth and evolution of technology that shapes our lives. Remember, while the tech sector has seen its share of ups and downs, it remains a vibrant arena for innovation and growth. The upcoming tech IPOs are a testament to this dynamism, promising new avenues for investors and exciting developments for consumers. So as we step into the future, let's keep our eyes on these potential game changers. Stay tuned, stay informed, and keep an eye on these tech IPOs as they could be the next major players in the stock market.